Hello everyone and good day. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the JustLogin Mobile App from installing the app to navigating its key features. The JustLogin Mobile App is available for download on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. For this demonstration, I'll be using an iPhone, so I'll be downloading the app from the App Store. First, open the App Store and search for JustLogin. You may notice that there are several JustLogin mobile apps available. Please make sure to download the main JustLogin app, which has a purple accent on its icon. Once you've found the correct app, tap Get or the download button to install it on your device. After the installation is complete, tap Open. This will take you to the JustLogin mobile app login page where you can sign into your account. If this is your first time opening the JustLogin mobile app, you will see a quick onboarding tutorial that introduces the basic features of the application. You can either tap Skip to proceed immediately or tap Next until you reach the final page, then tap Done. You will then be brought to the login page. Enter your company ID, followed by your user ID and password. If you are unable to log in or have forgotten your password, simply tap the Forgot Password button below the login fields and follow the instructions. After logging in successfully, you will see the What's New in JustLogin window. This page highlights the latest features available in the mobile app. Tap Continue to proceed to the home page. On the home page, you will see your profile picture, your name, and your company name displayed at the top of the screen. On the upper right corner, you will find the notification bell. This displays important notifications, such as reminders if you forgot to clock in or clock out, as well as other system notifications. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the purple plus button, which provides quick access to your clock in and clock out actions. Below the profile section are the quick action shortcuts. These allow you to access commonly used features with just one tap. If you would like to customize these shortcuts, tap Customize to open the View Actions page. From here, tap the pencil icon in the upper right corner. You can then press and hold any shortcut to drag and rearrange its position. You may also choose up to 4 shortcuts to appear on your dashboard for quick access. Some of the available shortcuts include Clock In and Out, Clock History, and Roster, which we'll explore shortly. The dashboard also includes a toggle button that lets you expand and view additional widgets. The first widget displays today's day, date, and current time. On the right-hand side, you'll notice either a green In button or a red Out button. This indicates the next attendance action expected from you. For example, if you have already clocked in, the system will expect your next action to be clock out, which appears in red. If you have already clocked out, the next expected action will be clock in, shown in green. And below that, you'll see your total hours worked for the day, together with your clock in and clock out times. In this example, the employee clocked in at 8:57 a.m., while the clock out time is still blank because no clock out has been recorded yet. The next widget is the upcoming shifts. Here you can view your next scheduled shift, including the date, start time, end time, and the assigned shift name, if applicable. You can also tap View Roster to see your upcoming work schedule. This allows you to check your future shifts, rest days, off days, and browse schedules for other dates. Below that is the Accumulated Hours widget. This displays your total working hours for the current month. In this example, the employee has accumulated 58.72 total working hours, including 2.72 overtime hours. If you'd like to rearrange your dashboard widgets, simply tap Edit Widgets. You can drag widgets to change their order or remove widgets that you don't want displayed on your dashboard. Now, let's try performing an actual clock out. I'll tap the red clock out button. If this is your first time using the mobile app, you will be prompted to allow the app to access your device's camera. Simply grant the required permission. Once the camera opens, position your face inside the circular guide displayed on the screen. When your face is properly aligned, the app will automatically capture your photo. Since I selected the clock out action, the attendance record will automatically be saved as a clock out transaction. As you can see, the clock out time has now been recorded as 3:35 p.m. If I tap the green clock in button, the same camera screen will appear. Position your face inside the circle once again, and the app will automatically capture your photo. Before confirming the attendance, you'll also see additional information, including your last attendance action, the current date and time, your current location provided that GPS is enabled, and an optional field where you can enter remarks. To proceed, simply tap the green clock in button, and your new clock in record will be saved. Another way to perform attendance is through the clock in and out shortcut found under Quick Actions. This follows exactly the same process using facial capture. Next, let's take a look at clock history. You may notice different status icons beside each attendance record. An orange warning icon means that the attendance request has not yet been sent to the server. This usually happens when there is no internet connection or mobile data at the time of clocking in or clocking out. A green check mark means that the attendance request has been successfully submitted to the system. Tap Got It to close the information message. Clock history contains two tabs, Device and All. The Device tab displays only the attendance records captured using the current mobile device. The All tab displays all attendance records stored in the system, regardless of how they were recorded. You'll also notice different icons beside each record. A monitor icon indicates that the attendance record was created through the web portal or updated by an administrator. A mobile phone with a selfie icon indicates that the attendance was recorded using the JustLogin Mobile App. Tapping any attendance record will display additional details, including the captured location and any remarks entered during the attendance transaction. Next is the roster shortcut, which opens the same schedule page that we viewed earlier through the View Roster button. Now let's explore the other menus in the application. At the bottom navigation bar, tap My Info. This section contains your employee information, including your personal information, employment details, training records, files, and notes. You can also access the Contacts section, where you can view your department, company email address, reporting manager, and other employee contact information. Lastly, let's look at the More menu. Here, you'll find additional attendance-related actions and the Settings page. Within Settings, you can refresh your account configuration, enable Touch ID or Face ID if supported by your device for quicker login, and customize your dashboard widgets. You can also report issues to our support team, send feedback, change the application language between English and Chinese, and configure Siri shortcuts for Apple devices to perform actions using voice commands. Finally, if you would like to log out of the application, simply tap Sign Out, then tap Sign Out again to confirm. And that's it. This concludes our demonstration of the JustLogin mobile application. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope this training has helped you become more familiar with using the JustLogin mobile app.